시작.
Unit 2M is art question. First table, I am, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. Question and I is, he is, she is, it, are we, are you, are they. What's your name? David. Are you married? No, I'm single. How old are you? 25. Are you a student? Yes, I am. Am I late? No, you are on time. Is your mother at home? No, she's out. Are your parents at home? No, they are. No, they are out. Is it cold in your room? Yes, a little. Are your shoes? Your shoes are nice. Are they new? Is they? Is she at home? Is your mother at home? Are they new? Are your shoes new? Where? What? Who? How? Why? Where is your mother? Is she at home? Where are you from? Canada. What color is your car? It's red. How old is Joe? He's 24. How are your parents? They are fine. These postcards are nice. How much are they? This hotel isn't very good. Why is it so expensive? What is? Who's who is? How is? Where is? What's your phone number? What's that man? Where's Lucy? How's your father? Short answer. Yes, I am. Yes, he is. Yes, she is. Yes, it is. Yes, we are. Yes, you are. Yes, they are. No, I'm not. No, he's not. No, she's not. No, it's not. No, we are not. No, you are not. No, they are not. No, he isn't. No, she isn't. No, it isn't. No, we aren't. No, you aren't. No, they aren't. Are you tired? Yes, I am. Are you hungry? No, I'm not, but I'm thirsty. Is your friend Japanese? Yes, he is. Are these your keys? Yes, they are. That's my seat. No, it isn't.